This video provides an overview on how to quickly integrate Doors 9 with IBM Engineering Test Management, also referred to as ETM and formerly known as Rational Quality Manager. There are 4 high-level steps required to configure this integration, and in this video I will be demonstrating how to complete these steps. It should be noted that before configuring this integration, Doors Web Access needs to be up and running in your environment. To start configuring the integration, we can navigate to the QM admin page within ETM. From this page, we can click on the Friends Outbound section and then click Add located on the right-hand side of the page. While on the Add Friend window, in the Root Services URI field, we want to enter a URI consisting of your Doors Web Access hostname and port number, followed by /DWA/public/root services, and then give this entry a name. I typically just use Doors. After clicking Next, you need to enter an OAuth secret and then click the Create Friend button. Once it's been confirmed that the provisional key has been created, click the Next button to view the key. Later, we will need to approve the use of this key while working in the Doors client. More to come on this in a moment. After clicking Finish, we can now see an entry for Doors in ETM's list of friends. Next, we will want to navigate to the Consumer's Inbound section and create an entry for Doors. Be sure to remember the consumer secret you use because the secret will be needed later when we're configuring the Doors side of the integration. Notice the new entry for Doors is in the Authorized Keys table, and in a moment we're going to copy and paste the consumer key value from this table into the Doors client to establish a connection into ETM. Now that we have created Friends Outbound and Consumers Inbound entries for Doors, we can navigate to the Doors client to continue configuring the integration. Here, in the Doors client, I first want to set the minimum client version value to be 9.6.1.4 or higher. For example, I will set the value to be 9.7. By doing this, it enables Doors and ETM to use the link discovery implementation of the integration. The benefit to using link discovery is that ETM testing artifacts can be linked to Doors requirements even if the Doors module is open in exclusive edit mode. Next, I'm going to approve the OAuth consumer key I generated earlier in ETM. Lastly, I will now register the ETM server as a remote service in Doors. While on the Register Server window, I'm going to give the service a name of ETM, and the location will be the ETM's hostname and port number, followed by /QM/root services. And I will copy and paste the consumer key from the Consumer's Inbound section within ETM, and then I'll enter the same secret I used earlier to generate the key. Note, before clicking the Register button, you can optionally deselect the radio button labeled Enable Automatic Querying for OSLC Links. By deselecting this radio button, users will not be automatically prompted to log into ETM when opening a Doors module. I typically deselect this radio button so that users are not burdened with having to log into ETM whenever they open a module. It should be noted, users can individually configure the automatic querying option via the OSLC Link Query tab located under the Tools Options drop-down menu. After clicking the Register button, we'll need to log into ETM to establish a connection. Once the ETM server is registered, we can now create a collaboration link for a specific project area in ETM, such as the Adaptive Cruise Control project area. There is one more step required to configure the integration before we start using it. In ETM, we need to navigate to the project area we are wanting to integrate with Doors, and then add an association of users requirements for the Doors database to the ETM project area. And that's it. Doors and ETM are now integrated together. As a final step, let's confirm the integration is working as expected. To do that, I'll simply navigate to a requirement in Doors and link it to an already existing test case. For example, I will right-click on Requirement 57 and then select Link, New Validated By, and the ETM project area. On the New Collaboration Link window, I will select an existing test case to link to the requirement. Once the link to the test case is established, it should be displayed with a yellow arrow commonly known as an in-link within Doors. Having the link to the test case displayed as an in-link confirms to us that link discovery is correctly enabled. From Doors, I can also navigate to the test case to confirm the linked requirement is being displayed against the case. By navigating to the Requirement Links section, I can confirm Requirement 57 is in fact linked to the test case as expected. And that's it. We just integrated Doors and ETM in a matter of minutes. Thanks for watching, and until next time.